What's up, guys? It's Nasar, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. Today I'm here with my man Carlton. I trap houses.
What's up?
Gigi buys Florida. You know what I'm saying? So find them on IG, but we about to do this walkthrough on this last renovation that turned into a rental. So I'll catch you on the other side. All right, before we go inside, right?
Okay.
Tell me about this house.
The property is a duplex.
All right.
This is a crazy property.
Okay.
You see these 10 properties right here? They all made a condo association like back 90s.
Okay.
They got dissolved early 2000s. So you pull this up on property appraisal, it shows condo.
When I was Googling the address,
Yeah.
it was showing that. It was condo. I'm like, man, it's gotta be the wrong spot. That's why I called you.
So someone owns that side, I own this side.
I got you.
Bought it literally almost a year ago.
Okay. When you bought it,
Yeah.
you had the intentions to flip, or did you?
I had the intention to flip. All
Okay.
the way.
All the way.
All the way.
So what if you were to turn it into a rental?
So we actually did.
Okay.
Because we had trouble with getting buyers and their finance.
It's a busy street, man.
That don't matter.
Oh, matter.
The beach right there.
Oh, the beach is right there.
You got the beach, a marina, you got a park, and then you got the main beach, Single Island over there. So it's in an awesome spot. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So this road divides basically the hood from the good section. Where we're at, this is like the outskirts of the hood. Over there is a whole other city, Lake
Okay.
Park.
I didn't want to say anything,
All right.
but when we were staying at downtown and we was coming out here, I knew the neighborhood class started changing, and I was like, okay, we must be going to the
You're
hood.
not too far from Tamron. That is another whole.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Entity.
could, it's skyscraper and then 2 more blocks, like
It's
chopper
the hood.
zone.
Chopper zone. Haven't heard that in a while. I was like, yo, West Palm Beach must be for the rich people. It must be no blacks. I was like, I was like, Carlton, the only black out here. I said they rich. So are you allowed to change the outside or no?
Yeah, I do whatever I want.
You
I painted the building, all of that. When we renovated it, man, like, I got pictures. It was a wreck. We didn't really change nothing other than this wall came to about where you were standing.
Okay.
So it was like a little hallway to get here. So we knocked this down and opened it up.
But being that you did that, you spent some money in this rehab.
Oh yeah. We spent like 30,000.
30,000? You did good. I think you did
Now we
good.
did inherit the roof, so we put the granite and did the backsplash. She picked out everything.
Okay, so Gigi, now you did good.
Oh, thank you.
No, this
You
is
did
design.
it.
Yeah, she did the design.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This was unique right here. I don't know if you ever seen this.
Yeah, I've done that before.
We were gonna put a little strip. See, my dude had cut a piece,
Yeah.
but he was like, "Nah, I'm just gonna go with that."
Yeah, this
It was
is
a tight squeeze.
this is safer. I had to do that in the rehab before. It's something to prevent the fire, I believe, or something like that. Yeah.
This is the floors that we use.
Yeah, I like this floor. It's LVL.
Not that expensive, $2 a square foot. This is what they call a Florida room. Yeah,
Okay.
So basically, it's an extra living room. You can make it a bedroom. Like the lady and her son living in this part of the house.
And this is your washer and dryer
Yeah,
hookup.
this is the laundry. We redid this.
Yeah.
All this is direct, bro. So this is like the main room. We call this, I would say this is the master because it's a little bigger. We updated the closets. We put racks in there. Now our fan, what happened with our fan is we got it from Home Depot, right?
Yeah.
This one's different. This is what we wanted, but that one had ran out.
Yeah.
The ones we got in there, they had discontinued.
That's a nice ceiling fan in here.
This one was like $2 something. But they just gave it to us for the same price. 'Cause it
Yeah,
discontinued.
yeah, I know that's a nice one. That ain't your basic ceiling fan right there.
Yeah. Same setup. The baseboard.
This got HVAC and okay,
Yeah.
okay. Now, how cold do it get here?
And what we in right now? Like
Yeah.
South Florida?
Yeah,
Not cold.
Tomorrow's supposed to be the coldest day of the whole winter. It's gonna be like 40 degrees.
40.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it ain't gonna last long. Like we wake up, it's 40 by this time, or like by noon it'll be 70.
T-shirts again.
Yeah.
So let's check out the back. Oh, okay, okay.
Bathroom on feet, you know what I mean?
I like this.
That was her idea, everything. She picked out that. My dude who did my work, he was like, Carlton, you gotta get this black strip.
Yeah.
At first I was like, what's he talking about? He was like, trust me. So he put it there and he put it right there.
Yeah, nah, this black strip here. I ain't never done this before. Even in my personal house, we did I got the regular silver joint. Nah, he looked you out on that one. He put some extra detail in it. As far as the backyard.
Oh, come check it out. Full corner lot, you know what I mean? So, got a carport.
It's yours, bro?
Yeah, that's the work truck, man.
Okay. Is that work? Is that, so that's a Florida boy truck? Cause I was expecting to see some big rims.
So this the backyard. What killed me at the end? All new windows, bro, at the end. I knew it was like, when I bought the place, I'm like, damn, it was my first like real official flip, so I kind of just sped through the walkthrough. But we had crank windows. Don't know if you ever seen those.
Hell yeah, I seen the crank
It
windows.
was all busted up. So at the end, I had to come out the pocket $2,000.
For all new windows?
All new windows.
That ain't bad, bro. That ain't bad at all.
And he put a custom window for me right here.
And the custom window 2000, you got a good deal, bro.
For the laundry.
Yeah, that ain't bad at all.
Yeah,
Cause
yeah.
right now, well, at least where I'm at in Charlotte,
Yeah.
there's a shortage on everything.
Oh yeah?
So they taxing on windows. The person who you have paint the outside, they paint the inside too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, he did a good job.
That conversation with the owner over there, how did that go? Like, yo, I got picture
it's
side of the
funny,
house.
man. Like, I started renovation. He hit me up. He's like, hey, man, I'm about to sell the place, blase. I'm like, okay. I'm like, look, I'm going to have to paint the building. And he was like, well, let me talk to my sister. Because the brother was the realtor that listed it.
Yeah.
And they never came back, but he was like, look, you can paint it whatever color you want. So that's what I did. And then one day we was here and some realtor came by with the buyer who was potentially trying to buy it, and I showed them the color. They was like, no, don't paint it that color. I'm like, well, okay, I won't paint it that color. Give me some money. We'll split the cost. They didn't want to do it. But everybody's like, this blue is so bright. Kind of matched the
Yeah.
Hornet.
Yeah, nah,
kind of
definitely.
Hornet color, man.
Doesn't match it. So, I mean, all right, so what's the plan now? Like, all right, you've been on the market.
We listed it for rent, what, yesterday? $1,650.
Okay.
And we just gonna cash flow.
Are you already in permanent financing or?
No, I got private money on it. We borrowed $80,000. $10,000 of that was for the rehab. We had 12%. I'm paying $800 a month, so we made $850.
But how long that loan lasts though?
It's 1 year. I can renew it though.
Oh, you can renew.
I can renew it.
Okay.
I want to refinance.
Yeah.
I want to refinance.
My recommendation, if you're not gonna use an online bank, use like one of these local banks here.
Yeah, the credit union, right?
A credit union or like just a normal local bank.
Okay.
It don't gotta be a credit union. I never use a credit union, but I use the local banks in Charlotte.
Yeah.
And you build a relationship with them over time. It shouldn't be an issue with this, but some lenders with, the size and I guess I was going to depend on that appraisal.
I got the whole look at this big ass corner line, man. So I wasn't really worried about the appraisal.
Yeah, that appraisal was going. See, here's the thing. When I say the appraisal, it's gotta be other condos. They gonna use other condos.
But guess what?
The banks ain't gonna use them joints.
Where we live at, so if you go this way west,
Yeah.
it's a huge gated community. Townhomes, condos, single families. They would have went off those comps. And those condos, bro, are going for like almost $300,000.
Oh, okay.
And they're 2 bedrooms.
All right.
Same square footage.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. This. All right. Yeah, you did a good job.
The water
son.
right here, then that's $1 million condos right here on the water. So,
Absolutely. What's the name of it?
Singer Island.
Singer Island. Okay.
Where the money resides.
yeah.
I
They got us separated, bro. It's crazy. Like, you got black everything. Black police chief. Black,
get the hell out of here.
Black everything. Black Lake Parkdale. Okay, we got $500,000 homes. Okay, y'all property 250. It's the same house.
Yeah.
I started doing traditional real estate 2015. I was a full-fledged realtor.
Yeah.
All of that. I had my own brokerage. All
Yeah.
of that. Until around 2018, late 2018, kind of been knew about wholesaling. Then I finally just was like, you know what? Let me research this some more. So binge watched some videos, and then 2019 hit. I dissolved the partnership brokerage with who I was with, and I was like, I'm gonna just jump into wholesaling. So I've been wholesaling full time since 2019.
Cool.
Yeah.
Now you starting to pick up rentals and
And flip.
flip. Now what's the medium home price for a first time home buyer? No, for a first time home buyer, what I'm looking at?
It's South Florida. Like if you come to me like, oh, I want to live in a nice area in Palm Beach County, you need $400,000.
Okay.
If you want to be in a nice area,
Yeah, same thing in Charlotte. All right.
$400,000.
Yeah.
All right. So, well, the hood is crazy. The price is jumping though, which is good for everybody. You could get a nice, decent home for like $250-ish, $300, renovated, all of that.
But I can't get a house for $250 in
$250.
lower middle class.
Yeah, and it's not gonna be like, it could be renovated. It ain't gonna be no big house.
All right, cool,
But it's gonna be a single family house though.
All right.
Yeah, $250.
Now, Gigi,
Yeah.
how long you been doing real estate?
January of 2020.
2020.
Yes.
Okay. Did you hop in traditional or you just did straight investment?
Straight wholesaling. He taught me how to do wholesaling. I got my first deal in 2 weeks.
You got the first deal in 2 weeks.
2 weeks. I made 5 bands in 2 weeks.
It was in Lake Park,
Sight unseen.
sight unseen,
multifamily.
All he told me was like, get on the phone, make phone calls. I was like, all I gotta do is get a yes. When the man said yes, I literally ran out the room. I was like, what do I say now? Set the appointment, did everything, and he was ready to sell.
Okay. 2 weeks. Okay.
And on a free list.
In the free list.
Yeah.
Damn. It took me 8 months. I had to work hard for my first deal. How much was your first check?
My first check was $8 grand.
Oh, okay.
8 grand.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. I mean,
That's great. That's great. Okay. And you quit your job after the
I
5,000?
quit my job 10 months after doing wholesaling. So I did my first deal. I got my second deal literally a month later.
Okay.
$8,000. And then I started just doing probates. Probates became my thing. I bought my house in July. So 6 months after starting wholesaling, I bought a house, an investment property, and I quit 10 months later.
Okay. Sometimes you just gotta take a risk, man, and just jump out there. See, she got to quit. I got fired. This is a big difference. But yeah.
I got fired.
You got fired too?
Yeah.
So he got fired, I got fired.
Yep.
And the thing about that is you don't want to let that dictate your future. You don't want to be sad. You gotta just, move on and move on with your life and figure out what's the next move, man. You don't want to hold on to, oh, somebody didn't like me or they got rid of me, etc. I'm worthless. Nah, you gotta just keep it moving. But most importantly, you had a plan. Plan was real estate and it worked out. That's the same thing with me. My plan was real estate and it worked out for me. You got any of your own cash in this joint or just all?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
I put up maybe 15 out of my own money.
Yeah. I would definitely look into doing a refinance to get that out. And yeah, because if you get $1,600 for this, I think that's a nice day.
Yeah,
$1,600.
Pick up $800 a month.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cut the grass. I'm responsible for the water, electricity. But when we get this new tenant, they're gonna be paying the utilities.
Of course.
Only downfall is it's near the water, so when the hurricanes come, I gotta put some on these windows. I don't have no shutter. They have accordion shutters, you know what I mean? So that's the only downfall.
Okay, so those are called accordion shutters because they get hurricanes down here. On the regular. So therefore, what they do is, those protect the windows for getting blown out. They can walk to the water. So any town next to the water that get hurricanes, they get hit hard. So you got flood insurance and all that on here?
Nah, it's not a flood zone.
Okay.
It's not a flood
But you had the natural disaster insurance, or does regular home insurance cover that?
They call it, what is it called? Wind?
Yes, that's what they call it. Yeah.
I can't think of it.
Cause they be offering me that in North Carolina. I'd be like, nah, I don't need it.
You gotta get it here.
Yeah, you have to get it.
Yeah, you gotta
Yeah, I can see that. Absolutely. Before we wrap it up and get out of here, where can people find you?
People can find me on Instagram at iTrapHouses. They can find Gigi at Gigi Buys Florida on Instagram. We revamping the YouTube. It's now called the GNC Show, so that's where you can find it.
Especially if you're Haitian, because one time for the Zoes over here. Okay.
All right, so all my Haitians, you know what I mean? Make sure y'all, Safase, and make sure y'all tune in to their YouTube channel. Y'all's a black couple making way in this business full time. She's a woman, he's a man, and they're getting it done. And they're getting it done together. A lot of times in our culture, right, we knock being in a relationship. We knock being married, right? Like, nah, that ain't the way. But 4 hands going after one goal, you can achieve the goal quicker than 2 hands going after the same goal. So just keep that in mind,
it's an
man.
advantage, bro.
Yeah.
It is a chess move.
It's a chess move, you know what I mean? Having the right girlfriend, boyfriend, the right spouse, it's a straight up chess move. The right one, okay, not the wrong one. All right, guys, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that below. Make sure y'all check my man out IG. All that's gonna be on the screen. Her IG is gonna be on the screen. You see they down here. They really do this business. I pulled up on them to make sure they was verified and they owned it. I checked the deed it before I came. But yeah, it's like, nah, but they really do the business. None of that fraud and stuff that you see what the other guys do on social media, man. So I'll see y'all in the next one, man. I'm hoping the next Buy Back the Block series, we should be in Chicago. Yeah, so if you know somebody in Chicago that's really doing it, have them reach out to me, man. We gonna pull up there, man. All right, peace.